Steve Smith here. I'm your CAD Tech Guru. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about a couple of new commands. I'm going to do two of them at once because they work very similar to each other. This is the move and the copy command. Now you can see I've got a lot of stuff out here. I'm just going to delete some of this stuff. I've been playing around with this command today. So the move command does exactly what you would imagine. It moves something. The copy command is exactly the way it sounds. It's to make a copy of something. The command structure works the same in the move and copy command. That's why I'm doing these together as one tutorial. So the command for move, you could type out move. I recommend using aliases. I believe the standard that ships with AutoCAD for move is just M, the letter M. So I'm going to type M, enter. And now it's asking you here to select your objects. So for this example, I'm just going to select this circle. And then I'm going to click enter because I'm done selecting objects. And now it's asking to specify a base point. So think of your base point as where you're going to pick it up at. Like if you're using your hand to reach out and grab it, where are you going to pick it up at? And it doesn't have to be on the object. You can pick it up from anywhere. Just as an example, I'm going to use a point out here in space, and I'm going to pick it up from right there. And now you can see I can go to another spot and pick another point to set it down. So that's the move command. Okay, M, enter, select your object, enter, pick it up. That's the center point this time, and I'm going to set it down on that corner. Pretty simple. So move, select your object, pick it up, set it down. That's pretty much it for the move command. Now you can move more than one object at a time. You can move as many things as you want. When you type the command M, enter, I can pick this and I can select all of this whole square here, enter, and just move it all off to the side. So you can select as much or as little as you want while you're in that first part of the command, selecting your objects. Now the copy command works just like the move command. You initiate the command. Copy is the command for it. COPY. The alias, I believe the standard alias that ships with AutoCAD for copy is CO. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong about that. But I have my aliases customized, so my alias is C. Now, if you didn't know, up here in the ribbon, you can usually find all these commands up here in the ribbon. However, I do not recommend using the buttons in the ribbon. Learn the aliases. Once you've used them a few times, it'll just become second nature. It's going to be a lot faster, a lot more efficient drafting if you're typing in the aliases on the keyboard rather than going and finding a button to push. So anyway, the copy command, C, enter, or CO, depending on what yours is. Now pick your objects. So I'm going to select the circle again. I'm done selecting objects, so I'm going to hit enter. Now it's asking for the base point, so just pick a point. I'm going to use the center of the circle, and then the second point of your displacement, pick it. So you can see it made a copy and it left the original where it was at. But I'm also still copying, so I could copy another one, and another one, and another one, as many of them as I want until I'm done, and then I can hit enter to complete the command. So you can copy out multiple, as many as you want. Some of the older versions of AutoCAD, I believe you have to actually initialize multiple, but in the later ones, it just does it automatically. So you just hit enter when you're done and you move on. So just like the move command, you can select a specific point and drop it down on a specific point, makes a copy. You can select as many objects as you want. I can copy all of this, copy them up to there. You can use any point of displacement, any base point that you choose. So that's pretty much the move and copy command. I hope this is helpful to you, or I'm not moving too fast. If you have any questions or comments about this, let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to answer any questions that you've got or help you out with this command. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, Subscribe to my page if you haven't already done so, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.